video, I'm going to show you how to download Spicetify. This is basically a Spotify premium for free. Like, there's no ads, no nothing. First, you're going to want to download the actual Spotify. Oh wait, this is not the thing. Wait. Oh yeah, and yeah, let me download this real quick. Alright, and yeah, now you're gonna wanna go to Spicetify website, and press install now, and okay, once it's installed, search up PowerShell and press open. Don't run it as administrator. You're just gonna wanna press open. Next, copy this, paste it in here, press enter, and wait for it to download. Press Y. It's downloading all that. Just wait. Alright, it's done. Now, yeah, that's basically it. If you want, you could you could try this, but you already downloaded the marketplace, so you don't need to run this. Now all you need to do is log in. I'm gonna log in real quick, and I logged in, and as you can see this marketplace button. Press on it, and these are all like the plugins you could use. Let me see if there's no ad one. No ad. Yeah, ad Blockify. Download this. There's gonna be no ads. There's no more ads. So yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.